The final result. You have to download these files. Links have been given in the description. So, firstly hide all the icons on the desktop, then go to Taskbar and right-click, click on Taskbar Settings. From here turn on Automatically Hide Taskbar in desktop mode. Now we will download Nexus Dock, so head towards the link and download the free version from here. Now go to the second link and download dock icons and backup. After downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder and extract both files. After extraction, install the Nexus Dock as shown. Now go to your desktop and click on Nexus. From here go to Advanced, then click on Restore. Now navigate to the dock icon file in the Downloads folder and select this file. This will change the dock appearance. Now right-click on the icons and click on Dock Entry Properties. From here select Change Icon, then again navigate to the Dock Icons folder. From here click the Windows icon. Do the same for all other icons as well. Now I have changed the icon, so now we will download live wallpaper. So head towards Microsoft Store. Search for live wallpaper. Then download and install this file by clicking here. Now we will download the Rainmeter, so head towards the link in description and download it from here. After downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder, then install the application as shown. Now, go to the desktop and unload all the skins. Now launch the lively wallpaper. From here go to Setting, then click here and choose Light from here. Now go to System from the upper bar, then choose the taskbar theme as Clear and go back. From here choose this rain theme, then close it. Now go to the link given below and download the Rainmeter Skin for date and day. Click here and the download will start. After downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder and install it. Now go ahead to your desktop, so here you can see three elements of the skin: the date or the clock, then you have the player and of course the recycle bin. Unload the player, and now right-click on the date and time widget, then click Edit Skin, and right now I will modify a few parameters. Here I will remove measure time. Scroll down till you see meter 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. Here I will choose both of them and remove this code. If you want, you can make this skin a little bit larger or smaller. You have to change the scales, so for example I will scale this up a little bit to the 1.26. Now you have to make sure that you save it. Now close the notepad, right-click on the skin, refresh the skin, and it should be larger. So here we have the skin. I will place it to the center of the desktop, something like that. It's almost done, but now we will download another skin for the time widget. So head toward this link and download the time skin by clicking here. After downloading, head towards the download folder and extract this file. Then go to this folder and click on Skins. Here install Lumero. Now go to the More folder and copy Lumero. Then head towards the Documents folder. Here select Rainmeter and Tan. Go to Skins folder, paste it here and close the windows. Now launch the Rainmeter and refresh all, then click on Lumero and load time from here, then close it, and set your time skin here. So it's finally done. Enjoy your clean desktop. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.